The outdoors is in again. Nike has taken the blazer and crafted a brand new sneaker boot. Do y'all like these? As you can see from the images, the sole unit of the blazer has undergone a crazy transformation, replacing the flat vulcanized base with a chunky threaded counterpart that's perfect for all the winter weather. This boot-like sneaker or sneaker-like boot obviously has a different purpose than the original sneaker model, but this new version definitely pays homage to the Nike blazer. The eye stays and toe cap remain consistent with the OG model, but the foot entrance undergoes a radical change. This version features an inner bootie that slides right in, equipped with a pull tab for easy on and easy off. And this update is complemented by an extra loop on the sneaker's tongue. Nike is going all out for the release of a Nike Mid Rome. We have 4 colors that are set to release. We have blue on black, beige on white, all black, and we have a black and olive. I'm not too sure on a release date just yet, but it should release for holiday 2024 season with a retail price of $120, which is pretty good if you ask me. I'm definitely picking up the black on blue colorway, but the question is, do you like this model at all, and will you be copping?